You have the backcourt of Darren Manligues and Paulo Hubalde. Up front, Ladis Lepalam, Dennis Santos, and Mark Meneses. Sa panig naman ng San Juan, you've got Orlan Wamar, AC Soberano, Mike Calisaan, Arvin Gamboa, and Craniel Viloria. Para dito sa San Juan, they look to make an early
A very makeable layup shot for Daryl. Oh, what a pass!
Kita mo yung impeccable passing, no? Nitong San Juan.
For building. And the mere fact that you have Coach Tantan Banal there as part of the coaching staff, this is a young group of coaches that understand play every piece moving in that last offensive action.
Catch and shoot free,
Yeah.
automatic for John Galinato. Away, Hero has one guy to beat.
Oh! Wow!
He falls down on the floor after that block attempt from Ken Villapando.
Pero nakikita mo nandun yung reads, no? That's the right read in that situation. Oh, what a 1-2
Woo!
by Jameson Hero.
That was slick. And part of that coaching staff was former San Juan head coach Nani Pondulan.
Yes.
Meanwhile, Villapando drills in a free, guarded by Bangkale, navigating through that Calisaan pick. Taonera catch and
Oh,
shoot
yeah.
from the mid-range.
And yan yung nagagawin. They can actually comfortably score without having to try so much multiple dribbles. Oh, Humphries with a three.
Showing us the range. Step, nilabas kay Wamar for free. No. Calisaan in the vicinity and gets fouled.
Right there by Daryl Manligues.
Cebu showing a lot of fight to begin the third. Manligues,
man.
not much resistance on the side. Steal, back-to-back steals from Mark Meneses. Full head of steam. Dennis Santos slides in and scores. Shooter by Wamar. Does not work. In transition, Manligues.
Oh, no.
The lob high in the sky play. Setting up Boom Boom Tampos. 10-0 run. Viloria pull up.
There you go.
Pamatay sunog.
Never sa likod pa si Boom Boom Tampos.
Oh, what find there by Manligues again, connecting with Tampos.
And so far, it's gotta be involved for Cebu, including this guy right here.
First lead for Cebu, courtesy of that free by...
Yan ang effort ni Rainiel talaga.
Inside they go, Marquez, reverse, and ties the ball game up at 41 apiece.
And it goes.
Meneses, Santos,
Nice
fakes.
fake.
Fly by three, rolls out, but
Oh,
Meneses
man.
gets the basket, plus a foul. Here, sa bandal, Calisaan offering that screen. Joem, jumper, good.
There you go.
Meneses though goes downhill. Slick finger roll from the lefty. One, they go to Marquez at the post against Lian Martel. Marquez got away with that one, lays it up and in. 4-point lead sa bandal. Great
Oh,
pass.
wow.
Calisaan cuts in and scores.
Miss ko ng pick.
Miss. Chance for San Juan to retake the lead. One-hander by Gamboa.
Oh, yeah.
Automatic.
Catch and shoot situations, but since this run by the Knights, he's been hesitant.
Oh, what a move. Now you see me. Now you don't. Arvin Gamboa. 33 left here in regulation. Santos. Three-pointer. Much needed basket para dito sa Cebu. Wamar against Manligues. Marquez, quick free. The great response from the former.
Talaga nito, composure na to. Battle of poise. Oh, what a move!
The pirouette from Darrell Manligues for Cebu. Hero, sidestep free again.
Oh, wow!
Big free to cut this lead down to 2. 6